Hello, my name is Daniel Dobrowolski, and I am a senior physicist at Coltraco Ultrasonics. As the lead developer of the Portascanner WATERTIGHT PRO, I will be guiding you through how to do a full test using the instrument. Once you have watched this video, you should have a basic understanding of how to use this world-first technology to conveniently and scientifically assess the watertightness of hatch covers, watertight doors, cable transits, and other structures. A more detailed explanation of the functionality of your instrument is available in the operating instructions. The Portascanner WATERTIGHT PRO comes in two main parts. The receiver unit is a 7-inch handheld touchscreen device attached by a BNC cable to the sensor wand. It is used to receive and analyze ultrasound and to generate data and reports. The Portascanner generator provides a stable ultrasonic source for the receiver to pick up. Its power is adjustable from 1 to 100% of the maximum output. An optional stand is available also to aid with generator placement. First of all, ensure both the generator and receiver units are fully charged using a micro B USB power source. Connect the sensor wand to the receiver unit, press the power button, and wait for it to boot. To conduct a full test, press the Full Test button. You will then be instructed to select or add a new site, room, and structure. A site may be, for example, the name of a ship or vessel. The room should refer to the enclosed space being assessed, which may be, for example, a cabin or compartment. And a structure may reference, for example, a watertight door, hatch cover, cable transit, or a section of bulkhead that is being assessed for leaks. For a full test, you will need to know the thickness of any structures or seals being assessed. Once a structure has been selected, you must turn on the generator and place it facing the center of the structure, at least 50 centimeters away from it, if possible. If the structure is openable, open it and trace the perimeter with the receiver wand facing the generator to ensure a suitable signal is picked up across the whole structure. The zone indicator on the screen will guide you. If the structure is unopenable, position the wand on the same side of the generator as shown, with the rear of the wand against the structure, and perform the aforementioned procedure. You may be instructed by the receiver screen to adjust the generator position or to increase or decrease the power if required. Now, close the structure if it was opened and stand with the receiver unit on the opposite side of the generator. If the structure is not a hatch cover, you shall be instructed to take a photograph of the structure upon which to record the leaks. Scan the structure, listening for bleeps with the headphones or looking for spikes in the signal indicator. These spikes and bleeps indicate the possible presence of a leak. When a leak is detected, mark it on the receiver touchscreen by tapping on the image at its respective location. Then, press the Measure Leak button. Position the receiver wand carefully, aligning it with the point of maximum signal and holding it in place until the buttons are no longer grayed out. Once all leaks have been marked and measured, press Done to progress to the next screen. Now, measure the open air value for the selected leak, highlighted in green, by pressing the Measure OAV button. Or in the case of a hatch cover, measure the open hatch value by pressing the Measure OHV button. For an openable structure, open it and position the wand in approximately the same position as the detected leak, as shown in the instructions dialog. Take the measurement by pressing Measure OAV or Measure OHV, and repeat for each leak by pressing Done. Navigating with the arrow buttons or pressing the Measure OAV or Measure OHV button once more. For an unopenable structure, move to the same side of the structure as the generator. Position the generator one wand length further back from the structure. And position the receiver in front of each leak as shown. Take the measurement by pressing the Measure OAV button or Measure OHV button and repeat for each leak. Don't forget to move the generator forward again once all OAVs have been measured. As each OAV or OHV is measured, the instrument will use it to automatically quantify the leak size and its corresponding water flow rate for a pressure differential that is adjustable in the settings. Once all leaks have been quantified, press Save to the device, and press the Home button to return to the home screen. Records may be viewed in the Full Test Records screen, where they may be exported as a CSV file or as a PDF report containing photographs. Thank you for watching this video. Coltraco Ultrasonics have proudly designed the Portascanner WATERTIGHT PRO to provide a world-first scientific tool for watertightness testing. The Portascanner WATERTIGHT PRO is the only instrument that enables you to quantitatively evaluate the risk in terms of water flow rate to personnel and assets at sea. For more information, please visit our website at www.coltraco.com.